Hi guys, welcome back to the Weekend If Challenge. So this is a new program. So in this, basically what we're doing is handwritten digit recognition. So we have a few images of handwritten digits from 0 to 9, and we have to identify which digit it belongs to. We have to build a model and identify which digit the new image, whatever is given, belongs to. So this is again divided into three parts. First one is dataset loading and exploration. Second one is pre-processing and feature scaling. Third one is model building, training and predictions. All right. So in this, what we'll be doing is, for example, we'll be given an image like this. We have to pixelate it into samples of 8, 8 and 8, 8 and 8. And then we have the label as well. That is saying which digit that belongs to, that image belongs to. Now after this, basically, we have to implement a function explore data that takes the total number of, that gives out the total number of images, dimension of single image, etc., many different factors. Now after that, we have to give the expected output. Whatever is given is like this. So basically the first is total number of samples, image size, number of classes, how many classes are there. Now we have distribution of each class. All right, so let us go to the code. So it says first we have to load the data. So in the load the data, we are creating a variable called digits and using the function load dataset. So in this, basically x is digits.images, y is digits.target. So that we have two categories in the in the dataset. That is, one is images, one is target. So digits.images is saved into x, digit.target is saved into y. Now we have a function called explore data. In that, we are creating a dictionary called info. So why is this dictionary being used? So this dictionary is being used to store that images along with the labels. All right, so now we have the total number of images. So in the total number of images, basically we're using x.shape and we display the total number of images present. Now the shape of single image is mentioned here, that is image.shape, that is basically shape of one particular image. Now we have to find number of different unique classes. So we're using a function unique to find different number of classes in the y, because y is anyways used for target. So we'll see what a total number of different unique targets. So that is a total number of class labels. So we're using the length of classes to find out that. Now one more is basically how many images are there in each class. Okay, so we are creating a dictionary again called class counts. So we iterate through each class, and then we count for that particular class. We count the total number of whatever y is there, target is there. Then we display that. So then we display total number of count. All right, now we have minimum and maximum pixel values. So we check whichever has minimum pixel values and whichever has maximum number of pixel value. So then we display that as well. Now we check if there is any missing content. So we are using the function .isnan and .any. So we are trying if any content is not there, not present. So then we add that into missing values. So after that, we have the main function now. So the main function, again, what we'll be doing is, first we will be printing total number of samples, what is the shape of the image, number of classes, pixel value range, and we'll say if it is having any missing values, yes or no. And then we have the class distribution for unique different classes. All right, so let me run the program. Okay, you can see here total number of samples is 1797 samples are there. Image shape is 8,8. Now the number of classes is 10. That is 0 to 9. We have number of classes is 10. Now the maximum pixel value, minimum pixel value, 0 is the minimum and 16 is the maximum pixel value. If it has any missing value, false. No, there is no missing values. Now we have the class distribution of each. So you can see 0 is 178 samples, 1 is 182, and similarly we have all the 9 samples with different number of, all the 9 classes with different number of samples. So let me submit the program. So as you can see, all the hidden test cases have passed. So that means the program is correct. And if you need any doubts, then let me know in the comments below. And that's it for this video. I'll continue this in the next video. Thank you.